What's up, guys? Duffy 112 coming at you with an old fleet ad. Saturday, June 16th, 2012, so like 2 years and 2 months ago, you could get a 50 pack of Winchester Wildcat for $1.89, $1.89 50 count. And I thought that was pretty crazy. What's even crazier is I got another one here. This is from July 7th, 2012, so like over 2 years ago. $16.99 for a 525 pack. $16.99. That's just insane. And like if you go through like some of the other prices, these are pretty much the same now. Like that military grade buckshot you can still get for $4 on sale. So I just wanted to share that with you. It's pretty crazy. Like all the other ammo prices seem to be, pretty much the same. But yeah. So I'm out.